Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a password in BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and click on it. Now, click on your name and email address button here. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see Authentication section where you can find Account Password and click on Update Account Password button here. Here, you need to type in your current password and a new password here. And you need to type in your new password again on this field. And you will need to type in your two-factor authentication code which is generated on your authenticator application. After filling out the information, click on Update Password button. And your password will be changed. So that is how you can change a password in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.